the easternmost tree at the elementary school, we have an adult Cooper's hawk. We've seen him here before. He's out waiting for the crows to show up. Are you gonna fly? Well, he moved like he was going to, but he's just readjusting. Okay. And he's over there. Down at the northern side, he took what there to eat it. Blue jay down, northern side. Here's one. Speedy down at the southern side. House Sparrows eating the birdseed, breadcrumb, and peanut pieces. Blue jay down. Fluffy's. We're at Fluffy's, and so is she, and yes, we have a scrub jay. More arriving. 2 more came over. Fluffy, get over here and eat your treats. Your treats are there. Okay, we have a Cooper's hawk in the sycamore tree at Alviso Dobie Park. His presence up in the tree is going to deter the songbirds from wanting to come for food because, well, he's a threat to them. He's got his back to us. Maybe he'll decide to leave. That would be nice. He could come back some other time. And he's over there.
There seems to be something perched on the bare branch, but I sure can't make out what it is. High humidity this morning, so the camera's even being reluctant. See if maybe the big screen tells us.
Song sparrow going for the live mealworm. And a nugget making its way down the embankment. And taking a live mealworm.
Western bluebirds perched on top of the 2 trees. That's the north tree and the south tree. Cooper's hawk has returned to the area. I'm in the back of the park now. Can't tell if this is an adult or immature, but it was chasing a dove.
We're back at Fluffy's, and well, she's here. Sunny morning. Still a little nippy, but it's going to warm up. Yeah. Okay, Fluffers, we'll see you tomorrow. Speedy southern sight on. We got House Sparrows.